Attending the Asian Financial Forum for the first time was Alexei Sitnikov, who heads international development for Russia's new non-profit Skolkova Innovation Centre, which the country's leadership formed with some international partners like Cisco, Siemens and Google to emphasize Russia's non-energy capabilities. Alexei, the foundation is very young, so what finds you at the Asian Financial Forum at this stage of your development?
We believe that the earlier that we start, the better results we can achieve in terms of forging international partnerships. Financial activity is very important for us because we are creating the pipeline of projects that will be raising funds to support their development. So the Asian Financial Forum and the level of participation at this forum is very important to us to identify our cause early, that we'll be looking for new partners, and that's why we're here.
So what interest have you had in this form of innovation, this new form of innovation from Asian companies, from Asian institutions?
The interest is there. The interest is there, and we see that not just here in Hong Kong, but overall in Asia. The people, as I said, are used to looking at Russia as a place for natural resource export. But there is some interest because the people in the world know that Russia has a tremendous amount of human talent. Russia has a very developed and a strong education system that produces people in the field of hard sciences and engineering and physics and biology and others that now work all over the world in universities and companies in the private sector. So that is the basis on which we build our new type of innovation, and we call that research-based innovation. That we would like to merge the talents of faculty, professors and engineers with the skills to commercialize the results of the research.
So where would you expect to find investment from Asia? Would it be from China, from Southeast Asia?
You know, we're looking as a project that creates infrastructure and creates the ecosystem of commercialization of research. We are interested in different kinds of financial involvement with our projects. It ranges from very early, angel to venture capital, to equity investment, and to some larger scale investments as well. And then at different levels, we think we can find interest on behalf of the investors. We have on the Russian side a Russian venture company, which is a fund of funds, which would be, of course, interested, and it works with us, one of our founders, in fact, of our foundation. They are interested in creating joint funds and raising funds and they are actively involved in Asia, and we would like to expand on that involvement so that not directly, but through that fund of funds, we can support the initiatives at the Innovation Center.
You talk about a fund of funds. Would Hong Kong be the sort of place to set up a fund like that?
I think so. It's very early, yet in the beginning. It's in fact, our first visit, as we are only 7 months old. But we hope that this is the beginning of something that would bring us the results, tangible results, to support the projects that we develop, we invite to the foundation, and then they get financial help from money that is a lot of course, here.
You're at the Asian Financial Forum here 2011. So what's your impression of the forum?
Because the visit's very brief, there's definitely the impression that the overall project, overall amount of the scale and the amount of money is huge. We ourselves feel very small related to what we see, the level of engagement and the level of financial resources that is being discussed here is considerable. So I think it's a very representative forum. I think it attracts very serious and important people from all over the world. It's definitely not a local forum. And I see it as a place that we should keep in mind, a place that we should take seriously as a framework in which we can talk with potentially partners that would be potentially financing our projects.
All right.